Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by distilling the idea to a single customer and the specific problem you solve. This focuses every next step. Once done, run 5-10 short interviews to hear real language and confirm frequency and willingness to pay. Make sure to build a simple landing page or sign-up form with a price hint. That creates an early conversion signal. You want immediate feedback, not perfection, so iterate the messaging and repeat interviews until patterns emerge. You now convert validated demand into action by launching a rapid MVP or concierge service. This proves delivery before heavy investment. Then acquire the first 20 engaged users through direct outreach, niche ads, or partner referrals so you can observe behavior. Make sure to instrument and measure 3 core metrics: activation, retention, and actual payment conversion, because these show real product-market fit. Once you collect data, iterate product and pricing in short cycles to improve those metrics. You finish validation by running a 30-90-day experiment to confirm unit economics and repeat purchase behavior. This determines if the business can scale profitably. Once done, validate at least one scalable acquisition channel and ensure gross margin meets your target so growth won't burn cash. Make sure to cover legal, tax, and ops basics before expanding. Troubleshooting tip: if metrics stall, pause scaling and run one user interviews to diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.